2021-0503. This is the battery manufacturing date. This is made May 3, 2021. This is old battery of my Aldis lamp. FMBB129, 12 volts, 9 ampere hour, 20-hour rates. I'm going to replace by G 2024-0410. This battery is made April 10, 2024. So this is non-spillable, 14.4 volts, cycle use to 15 volts, less than 2.25 amperes, less than 2.25 amperes. Yun yung standby use niya. 6 FM, 9 volts, 12 volt, 9 ampere hour, 20 hour rate, made in China. So sa pagpapalit ng battery mga guys, i-consider nyo yung manufacturing date. Ito ay gawa ng 2024, April 10. Ito naman ay gawa ng 2021, May 3. So my old battery is 10, 11, 12.5, 12.7 volts. This is my old battery. My new batteries is 11.8 volts DC. I'm going to charge now. This is my charger for the Aldis lamp batteries. Battery charger type. Yun. BCN 24S AC 100 to 40, 90 volt ampere max. Just switch on. Yun. Switch on. This is on. I have now. This is the charging voltage. 15.2 volts. Yun, charging voltage we have 15.2 volts. This is my daylight signaling lamp. Yun. Sunshield Electric. 24 volts, 60 watts. So, for you to test, just press this one. Press. And this one, okay. Look, it's working. So it's good. We are going to test now, and this is working good. Now I'm going to replace the battery. So I'm going to charge this battery because it has only 11 volts. I will keep this on. See? Now we are going to charge it until become 13.6 full charge. Napakasipag guys, so kahit linggo tumatrabaho yan guys. Ang lalaking walang pahinga dito sa barko namin mga guys. Out dyan guys. I-hire na to mga guys. Napakasipag to, mga mining company dyan. Ang sahod lang naman nito ay 2-2. Demand niya yun, demand. Out dyan sa mga taga, anong lugar? Cagayan. Yun.